Hello friends, I am so happy to be back with you creating again. I have missed our little community so much, and I've missed using materials and imagery from my childhood which have inspired this new printable collection. In this video, we will be making origami paper dresses inspired by quinceañeras. There are 5 paper dresses in this kit, all inspired by 80s and 90s fashion. And we couldn't leave out authentic Mexican embroidery. The kit also includes written instructions, but you can always refer to this video tutorial. The Quinceañera Paper Dresses Kit is now available in my Etsy shop. Click on the link in the description box below to instantly download. To get started, you will need scissors, a bone folder, glue, and your favorite dress from the new printable collection. We are going to start off by cutting along the colored square our dress is inside of. When we reach the sleeves of our dress, we will carefully cut out the white part, then continue cutting along the colored square. The next step is optional. You can use scallop scissors to have a fun shape at the bottom of your dress, or you can use regular scissors to cut along the bottom of your dress. Now, fold your paper down in half. You can use your bone folder for crisper folds, or use the handles of your scissors for the same effect. Unfold and turn your paper around. Fold the outer edges inward to meet in the middle. Use the middle fold you created in the previous step as your guide. Unfold your paper and turn it around. The new lines will be folded inward to meet in the middle like this. On the skirt, locate the lowest dotted line and fold down along the dotted line. Now bring the lowest dotted line to meet the highest dotted line and fold again, pressing down so that both lines meet. Pull the right side of the skirt upwards and outwards, and start to fold down on the center and top of skirt as you're pulling it. Repeat this on the left side of the skirt. Turn your dress around, and on the top we will be folding the inner right corner back. Then fold the left corner back. Now we will be unfolding both corners and start opening this little pocket down. Press and fold down to create a diamond shape. Fold back the right inner corner, and this will start creating the V-neck line of our dress's top. And we will fold back the left inner corner. Turn your paper around and fold back any colored areas you might have missed. This will give the V-neck line a cleaner look. Turn your dress around and fold the right skirt back at the waistline. We can hold down at this little opening and start pressing and folding down to create a diagonal point at the bottom of the skirt. And we will repeat the same steps on the left side of the skirt. The last step is optional. You can fold the right sleeve back, then create a second fold to bring the sleeve forward. This will create a more 3D look for the sleeves as opposed to leaving them flat, but again, it is an optional step since in both ways the dress will still look super cute. Repeat the same steps on the left sleeve. Now it's time to decorate our paper dress. This long paper trim is like the decorative underskirt for our paper dress. Feel free to also use real lace. That would look super cute. Let's start folding our trim as if creating little ruffles. I spaced them out with one finger, but you can definitely make them smaller. And all you're doing is creating little folds over and under to create kind of like this little square that pops up. And the more you do it, you'll see the ruffles start coming together. Add glue to the top of our ruffle and adhere it to the back of the paper dress. When adhering the ruffles, you kind of want to start scrunching them up, and the ruffles kind of have like an accordion effect, so it will be very easy to start bunching them up together so they can fit nicely behind the dress. Each dress has decorative elements that really stood out in the 80s and 90s quinceañera dresses, such as these big bows that really accentuate the puffy sleeves and give it such a juvenile and flirty element. And I am so happy that bows are back in style with this new Coquette trend. There are lots of Coquette elements in this new printable collection with the baby pinks, blues, lace, and bow touches. The Quinceañera Paper Dresses Kit is not only inspired by Hispanic traditions and trends, but also inspired by the Paper Cameo's Paper Dresses Kits. I have linked her Etsy shop below so that you can take a peek at her absolutely adorable paper dresses. Origami paper dresses have been folded out of one color cardstock paper and even patterned scrapbook paper. But I love the new world that the Paper Cameo has introduced us to by making paper dresses in more unique fashion styles. And I am, of course, always aiming to shine a light on Hispanic culture in this paper craft community. So I hope you grab this new Quinceañera Paper Dresses Kit and support the Paper Cameo as well. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe so that you don't miss the second part to this kit, which is coming very soon. Give me a thumbs up and comment below which paper dress you will be folding first alongside this video. Until next time, bye.